Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am going to teach you the sound and action of alphabet letter V. Wo, wo, wo. But before that, we learned the few sounds that we have already studied. The sound and action of P is P. P. The sound and action of W is W. 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 Sound and action of diagram IE is I. I. Sound and action of OR diagram OR is O. 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 Sound and action of diagram NG is Children, I will teach you the song on sound of alphabet letter V. V. Drive-ins went round the village. Drive-ins went round the village. Drive-ins went round the village. Whoa! Children, now I will teach you few words on sound of alphabet letter V. 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 Van. V. V. Van. V. V. Waist. V. V. Waist. V. V. Vase. V. V. Vase. V. V. Violin. V. V. Violin. V. V. Volcano. V. V. Volcano. V. V. Valley. V. V. Valley. V. V. Volleyball. V. V. Volleyball. Now children, we will do blending of few words. Wo, van, wo, van, wo, t, visit, wo, t, visit, wo, t, vomit, wo, t, vomit, wo, vain, wo, vain, wo, no, t, vent, wo, no, t, vent. Thank you, children. Children, from Creative Beginning, Learning Scale, page number 21, worksheet number 70. Topic, letter and sound V. V. Circle the objects that begin with the sound of letter V. V. Now this is vase. It's begin with the letter V. So we have to circle it. V. V. Vase. V. V. Vase. This is watch. It does not begin with the letter V. So this we have to not to circle. This is vest. It's begin with the letter V. This we have to circle it. V. V. Vest. V. V. Vest. This is violin. It begins with the letter V. So we have to circle it. V. V. Violin. V. V. Violin. This is van. It begins with the letter V. So we have to circle it. V. V. Van. V. V. Van. This is watermelon. It doesn't begin with the letter V. So this we have to not to circle it. Trust and write capital V, small v. Children, here you have to trace capital V, small v. capital V, small v, capital V, small v. In the same way, you have to trace and write this line. Turn the page number 22, worksheet number 18. Topic, letter and sound V. Van, van, waist, waist, was. Traced and write. Children, here you have to trace this small v and capital V. Small v and complete this line. Same way, capital V and complete this line. Traced and write. Children, here this is the sentence. You have to trace this sentence. S I T sit. I N in. T H E the. V A N van. Sit in the van. Sit in the van. Sit in the van. Sit in the van. Same way, this sentence also you have to trace and write. T H E the. V A S E was. I S is. N E W new. The was is new. The was is new. The was is new. The was is new. Children, watch this video and practice to read these sentences. Thank you.